This segment is sponsored by Bryant Stratton College, for every and in life. How would you like to consider a career that could be recession-proof? The healthcare field may be the spot for you to explore. We're joined today by Campus Director Beth Murphy with Bryant Stratton College. Beth, it's wonderful to see you.
Oh, wonderful to see you too.
Imagine picking a career path that would be insulated from all of this turbulence. Healthcare may be the place to explore, and Bryant Stratton College is the spot to be.
It certainly is. I mean, healthcare, we've talked for how many years about the demand. You look at the Department of Labor statistics, and healthcare is always at the forefront. But now with the pandemic, even more needs in healthcare are arising. Obviously, your nurses, your medical assistants continue to be in demand, but now we have things like the trackers. We have a need in our assisted living homes. And so there's all types of other careers emerging through the pandemic that put healthcare that much more in demand.
You know, it's interesting because a big part of this conversation is knowing what's available. You've talked through a couple of the fields and specific careers to pursue, but there's clinical, there's administrative, and you may say, yes, I want to be in a recession-proof career path. That sounds fantastic, but I don't necessarily know where to get started. The team with Bryant Stratton College can help.
Definitely. Healthcare is very complicated because it is so broad. And that's why I encourage anyone who's thinking about healthcare to come in and talk to an admissions representative. And you can really have that candid conversation. What am I looking for? What works with my life? What are my likes and dislikes? Because as you said, there's so many aspects to healthcare. You can be in a doctor's office, you can be in a hospital, you can be working with patients, you can be completely back office. There's even some opportunities to work at home. And so it's really important that you talk to an expert so we can ensure that you are on that right path.
And not only talking with the expert about being on the right path, but how you will find the right partnership in a spot for education that's credible. That's a credible training program, that you're making this investment in yourself in the place to be.
Yeah, definitely. So, obviously, Bryant Stratton College, we've been around for over 165 years. We're a career college, we're Middle States accredited, but we also have programmatic accreditation. And in the healthcare industry, this is very important to our students' future employers because the future employer looks at the curriculum, the program of study that the student participated in. And if it is accredited, they know that it is at a certain level. So, I'm very pleased that we partner with KHAB, with CCNE, with ASIN, and these help us make our healthcare programs better.
Not only are they accredited and in this credible training program, but you work with students upon graduation to be able to find that right fit for employment.
Well, just as the conversation when a student is coming in is so important, we can never forget that students came to us because they want a job, they want a career, and we believe that's going to impact their lives for the better. So we work hand in hand with our students and our employers while our students are with us so that by the time they're ending their time with us and they're completing that meaningful internship experience or they're going out on these clinicals, they are ready to be employed and they feel prepared for that.
Beth, we've had some conversations this year, and I know a lot of folks are having this time of reflection. You may find yourself looking at what's next, what's that next career, maybe you're interested in switching or starting to pursue. The reality being that 2021 is on the horizon, and you have a new semester right around the corner.
We do, and I'm so excited to start a new semester. And I'm excited that all through 2020, we continue to educate students because, yes, we're in a time that's a little unsettling, but isn't it nice that you can count on Bryant Stratton College to continue to educate you even through all of this?
Absolutely. And the best way to get started is to talk with the team. That is a great way to address those questions that are specific to you.
Definitely. I encourage you to look at our website, go to our Facebook page. It gives you a feel for the college, a feel for the campus. But I think, again, it's, with something so specific, it really is important sooner than later to give us a call, come in and talk to an admissions representative so you can hone in on the right program of study for you. Talk to a financial aid advisor so you can begin to appreciate how you're going to finance your education. But, as you said, 2021 is right around the corner. So it's time to have those conversations.
It sure is. And I just love the thought of, pursuing this recession-proof trajectory. That really speaks volumes. Beth Murphy with Bryant Stratton College. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. We'll be sure to share all the information so friends watching today can get started.
Bryant Stratton College's winter 2021 classes start Wednesday, January 13th. The college is located at 8141 Hall Street Road in North Chesterfield. For more information, please give them a call, 888-839-1718. Visit them online at bryantstratton.edu and find them on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram at BSC Richmond. And please stay tuned because Virginia This Morning is going to be right back.